Question 18, astronomers think, based on looking at the surfaces of pulsars, that they are spinning balls of neutrons. And, maybe they are, but maybe they are spinning balls of quarks. Why? Well, because the core of a quark-filled pulsar would have an overall positive charge. Okay, and if it does have an overall positive charge, then it would have a layer of negatively charged particles that could support a crust of neutrons. So looking at the surface, you would see a crust of neutrons and think it's a spinning ball of neutrons, when in fact, maybe it's a spinning ball of quarks. And we are saying that the core has a positive charge, and we've been asked about the role of that statement. We're saying that the quark has a positive charge because it's the reason that astronomers might look at the surface and think that a pulsar was nothing but a ball of neutrons, because the positive charge of the quark can create a surface layer of neutrons. It helps explain how pulsars could have neutrons on their surface, even if they're not entirely made up of neutrons. They can have quarks in the middle and a delicious neutron coating on the outside. So here's the deal with these free videos. They're intended to serve a very narrow purpose. For those times when you're wondering, why is that the right answer? You can just come here for a complete library and find out why it was the right answer. And I hope that you'll find that it was very instructive. Of course, the other part of the deal is that since LSAC publishes all of their tests along with test keys, that means that there's no barrier to entry for test prep. And you can hear the air quotes, I hope. Anybody can, and lots of people have, set up shop and called themselves test prep companies, and they've got the questions, they've got the answer keys, and they just try to explain to you why the right answer is right. And then they charge you money for it? That is wrong. I want to put a stop to it. I want to sweep the legs right out from under them. It is bad for you. It's bad for me too. So if you want to know what the right answer is and why the right answer is right, I want you to be able to come here and find it out for free without paying anybody for it. That's very different from what I do in the paid course. What I think has value about what I do is that I can tell you ahead of time what every question wants from you, what to expect from the right answer, how to formulate a right answer, and then how you can expect wrong answers to sound, so that you know before you ever open up a test book exactly what to expect. And all the practice videos that are part of the paid course are just me putting that theory into practice. It's just the rubber meeting the road. In other words, I'm going to show you, based on what we've done before, how we're going to react when it comes up next time. And that bit, knowing what to do the next time you see something, that I think is worth paying for. And if you agree, I'd love to have you in the course. And if not, that's fine too. Don't pay anybody to explain why right answers are right. Just watch these for free. Enjoy.